are not allowed in here.
The local home has a rogue male in its midst.
The cafe was closed, I take it.
By the time I came out of the pub, it was, yes.
You're a wrong un, aren't you?
And so are you, old man.
One ought to be careful of becoming too deeply involved.
Oh, I don't think you're right there.
Breaking all the rules, Denham Elliott and Connie Booth. Past Caring, Wednesday at 9 on BBC2.
Here's a look at tomorrow evening on BBC2, which welcomes the round-the-world yacht race back to Southampton in Ocean Challenge at 6:50. With massive pay rises for company directors regularly hitting the headlines, the Money programme investigates this and other recent scandals surrounding Britain's top businesses at 7 o'clock. Every baby born on Coronation Day was given a silver spoon. 25 years on, they were filmed, and then again in this, their 40th year. The changes of aspirations and views of the so-called New Elizabethans are revealed at 7:40. Politicians, journalists, academics and a studio audience discuss the current controversy over the constitutional role of the monarch in a debate chaired by James Naughtie at 8:45. A new series of Movie Drone begins at 10:15 when Alex Cox introduces a film at 10:20 from the creator of Evil Dead, Sam Raimi. A scientist on the verge of perfecting a synthetic skin survives an attack but is left disfigured. He then refashions himself as the shadowed Avenger Darkman. Comic horror bringing to a close Sunday night on BBC2. Well, with the time at just after 12 minutes past 2, that's just about it from us here on BBC2 for tonight. BBC Radio continues through the night, though, with Lynn Parsons on Radio 1 now and John Terrett on Radio 2. Do enjoy the rest of your night. And until tomorrow, when I hope you'll be able to join us again, on behalf of all of us at Television Centre, this is Helena Kozak bidding you a very good night. Good night.